you see these are the graphics. Suppose this is not a project but some another project. Okay, so it means these all things done by someone. It is not coming automatically. Nothing is automatic. They made this tank, they made these valves like this. If you see this valve is only like an isolation valve and maybe only the feedback is there. No control. And here, if you see, these have a control. If you go and click here, you see a pop-up. It means controls are here. You click here, you see control here. If you click here, see control here. Right? What is this? What is this? Button. What is button do? See, yesterday I told you median select and average. This 2x means 2 transmitters. 3x means 3 transmitters. Because this is the pressure. And when you click this, you can see this. You have transmitter 1, transmitter 2, this is the output. See here, you can put average. Automatically it is average. But if you have two transmitter A and B, now you want to choose A is better. You can make A. Press here A is better. Press B is better. And average means both. Right? So from here you can do like this. Now let's see how to make these graphics. See, guys, this main graphic, this is the page, this we say main graphics. This we say, see in graphics, when you see the graphics have two things. One is main graphic. This is the main graphic. And another one is pop-up. Pop-up or faceplate, you can say. Faceplate. Also you can say it subgraphic. Same you can say. Okay. Now this is the main graphic because main process. When you go here example, this is the main process graphics. All these are the main process graphics. Main process graphics. Now, when you click here example, this fan, this faceplate open. So this is called faceplate or control window, you can say. Pop-up, faceplate, control window, everything is same. Okay. Now you can see these are the process values. All are the process values. See pressure here, pressure here. temperature here, right? So these all are the process values. And these we call the lines, process lines. Process line. And the color of the process line is as per your project, because this color is using for a oil, I think. See, this color is using for the oil color, coolant oil. And this color is using for the year. So it can be depend on your project to project. But this color shows you the process color. Understand? Right? Now let's see how we make this. Now the question is how we make new graphics. How we make new graphics. Okay? So new graphics from there in Developer Studio. Developer Studio, right? Every new things, new make, delete, add, modify, everything is a Developer Studio. Okay? No. It is okay? It's okay? Now we will go to Developer Studio because we want to make a graphic. This is a Developer Studio symbol. Ovation Developer Studio. Ovation Developer Studio. Okay? I click this one. Now it will open. And you know, it is depend on the license. How many license you have. Okay? If you have one license, only one person can open at a time in any machine. There is no only this machine, no. Any machine, one person can open. Okay? Now you can see from here, you can see there is the graphics. This is the graphics. But if you go down, again you can see graphics. See? Here, again you can see graphics. Why it is? It is suppose in your plant no mean. But sometimes actually it is working like this. This hierarchy is something is like this. You have system. You can see there system. System, right? What the name system? GEC 157. It can be any name. After that, network. After that, network. Network can be 16 network possible. 16 network possible means 1, 2, 3, 16 network possible. Each network has graphic here. Each one has graphics. Each one has graphics. Then unit. You can make 60 units. 1 to 60. So it use when you are segregating more. But here We are not doing anything. We are using straight. We are using straight.
Mình sử dụng theo
One system, only one network, only one unit. So we will put our graphics only system level, top level.
bởi vì vậy là mình dùng theo cái hệ thống đuôi thẳng cho nên kiểu chúng mình
Okay. So now we are going here. Now we are here.
Muốn nó cần chất thì ông nói đừng có dung dần nữa.
thì mình dùng theo các cái select các cái hình ảnh bây giờ mình chỉ dùng theo cái đường thẳng đó việc mình việc chia theo các cái bảo kia
Con nó chẳng
mình
hạn
có
đó.
Em biết riêng gì nữa thì nét mô dung
Dung
màn
dần
hình
này
đấy.
đó.
mình phải chia ra cái gì cái tách theo hệ thống này của chúng tại vì
Bên trên nữa thì nét nào cũng có với graphic.
cái kia là nó không mạnh con là nhanh con thẳng
Okay.
Ok.
Now we will make graphic in top level only. When you go here, you see, there are. When you are here, you are seeing in graphics. There are two things. One is diagram, and another is and macros. What do you understand? What do you understand by this?
thì anh em hiểu ví dụ mà đã góc độ
What do you understand by this? What do you understand? What is the meaning of diagram and the what is the meaning of macros?
các em có hiểu rồi chức năng của đã góc độ
Any idea?
anh em
Any idea?
Is the macro you have a same diagram you need the macro executively.
Exactly. See, example here. You can see this whole graphics. We can say diagram.
thì chỗ
This main graphics, we say diagram. But macro is what? Because now in this graphic you need this fan. Oh, one more fan. Oh, one more fan. Oh, one more fan. So if you want to use the same object multiple times, you can save it in library. Means you make one time, make this shape one time and save in library with some name. So you make this and save in library. Now when you again want to be used, you just go library and take it and paste it. Again take it and paste it. So it is easy to use. So it will be called macros. Okay? Understand guys or no?
Được rồi sir.
So it is like a, see, you know, and or gate, they are library. Only we go there, select, use. Select, use. Not every time we are making no. Because we know, okay, multi time use.